Welcome to the Sustainability Series videos from Alexandria Library. I'm Christian Reynolds, and today I'm going to show you how to make beeswax wraps, a reusable alternative to single-use plastic wrap and plastic bags. So here are the supplies that you'll need. The beeswax can be found in pellet form. I find this very simple to use. You can find it online, and this size bag will allow you to make quite a few wraps. Make sure you look for food grade pellets. You'll want cotton fabric, scissors or pinking shears, parchment paper, a Sharpie, an old towel, and an iron. I'd like to emphasize that if you follow my guidelines, you'll be able to keep your iron clean. Beeswax can be very difficult to get off of an iron surface, so do be careful. Place the towel on your work surface. Cut 2 large pieces of parchment paper and write wax side and no wax side on opposite sides of the paper. This will allow you to make several wraps with these same 2 pieces of parchment paper. Place 1 sheet of parchment paper on the towel with the no wax side facing down. Put your fabric on the parchment paper. Begin with a small piece of fabric, about 8 by 8 inches. Sprinkle the beeswax pellets over the fabric. It is important to be stingy with the beeswax. The beeswax will spread as it melts. Place the second piece of parchment paper over the fabric, making sure the wax side is facing down, and iron the parchment paper. The beeswax will melt onto the fabric, and the parchment paper will protect the iron and the towel. Look under the parchment paper from time to time to see if you need to add more beeswax pellets. You will be able to see where the beeswax has coated the fabric. Add a few pellets to the dry spots. Coat the entire fabric with a thin layer of wax. You will not need to coat the other side because the beeswax will saturate both sides of the fabric as it melts. Once your fabric is coated, peel it off the parchment paper, set it aside to dry, and you're done. So experiment with using different sizes and shapes. They're great gift ideas. They're colorful in the kitchen. Use cool water and soap to clean them. You can use them to cover a bowl, a sandwich, even a chunk of cheese. The ones that we get in the stores have some pine resin in them, so they stick together to itself a little more. So you can use a rubber band to tie around something if you feel like you need it. Lots of times I don't think it is necessary, but just that's in case you feel like it's not covering sufficiently. Well, I hope you enjoy making your beeswax wraps and that they're useful for you in the kitchen. Thank you.